Hi everyone! Welcome to Cam CJ. Today, I'm going to share one of my favorite parts in setting up this staycation. The unboxing and all the little things we bought online and in stores to bring Cam CJ to life. Most of the things you'll see here is I ordered online. Lalo na yung mga maliliit na gamit like cleaning tools, organizers, and kitchen essentials. But I also made sure that everything matched our theme. Clean, simple, and of course, boho inspired. Are you excited? So let's start with the basics. Cleaning tools. Syempre, bago ka mag-decorate or maglagay ng kung ano-anong gamit, kailangan muna malinis ang unit. Malinis dapat lahat. At ito nga yung tinatakbo ni CJ. This is our trash bin. Simple lang pero aesthetic, aminin, black and white. Bagay sa team ng unit. I choose something neutral, not too loud, black and white lang para mag-blend lang sa space kasi ang team nga ng unit is brown and white. Next is broom and dustpan. Hindi pwedeng mawala. I wanted something compact and stylish kasi maliit lang ang space sa Cam CJ. At syempre, I like how this set doesn't look like your typical household walis. At tingnan nyo, yung color, aesthetic pa rin. Syempre, white. At sa pagkakatanda ko, kasabay ko rin in-order dito yung floor brush para sa CR. Kaso hindi ko mahanap yung video niya. And obviously, even for simple tools, I still wanted to make sure everything fits the look and feel we're going for. Para kahit cleaning time, hindi baduy tingnan. Yung floor brush namin is white din. Now, for the kitchen, since I wanted a cozy and homey vibe, I made sure the small kitchen details add to the overall aesthetic. May mga nauna na akong nabili sa IKEA for the kitchen, like yung lalagyanan ng mga plates and baso. And this one, I in-order ko online. These are glass containers with wooden lids for sugar and coffee. Ang simple pero ang ganda, diba? It gives that clean and warm look that I love. Plus, it's functional and easy to clean. Itong mga nauna kong in-order online man or sa actual store or physical store, ito yung mga naisip ko na basic needs kapag ikaw ay titira, long-term man or short-term man, mga kailangan mo talaga dapat meron sa unit mo. Kasi little things like this make the space feel more thought out. Kahit simpleng containers, it adds charm and personality sa unit. At ito ang patunay na nagstay talaga kami dito sa unit. So kahit na siksikan kami, kahit na para kaming sardinas dito sa unit, we wanted to try ano ba talaga yung feeling kapag nakastay dito sa unit ng Cam CJ. At para malaman na rin namin kung ano pa ba yung kulang or ano pa ba yung kailangan namin idagdag para maging mas convenient yung pagstay ninyo sa unit namin, yung staycation ninyo sa Cam CJ. So ito yung setup season namin, setup month kumbaga. And syempre, trinay rin namin yung mga amenities na meron dito sa Cam CJ. And you can see na sobrang nag-enjoy talaga yung mga kids. While itong si tatay, kami naman, yung mga adults, pwedeng mag-try dito sa gym. Basta wear your proper workout attire. Ganun din sa pagsiswimming. Wear your proper swimming attire. So, ayun na nga. Of course, hindi lang online shopping yung ginawa namin, di ba? We also visited a lot of physical stores to find pieces that really match our bohemian theme. Tulad na lang dito sa Mandawi. Oh, familiar to, di ba? So, yan nga po yun. Yung naka-display or yung nakalagay sa wall na nasa itaas ng sofa natin. Sabi sa inyo we really took our time choosing every decor and appliance. From lamps, wall accents, to kitchen appliances. Hindi namin minadali ang setup ng Cam CJ. We wanted every corner to tell a story. Minsan, we'd go to a store and not buy anything kasi we're not sure yet. Canvas lang kami. We really wanted to make sure that each item fits perfectly with the look and function of the space. At isa sa mga natutunan ko habang nag-setup kami or habang nirarun namin yung business na staycation is kailangan hindi lang maganda yung unit natin. Kailangan quality rin yung mga materials na nandoon sa loob ng unit, like yung mga linens, pillows, towels. Kala mo mahal lang sa umpisa kasi medyo pricey talaga yung mga quality products, but in the long run mas makakatipid ka kasi yung mga mumurahin na mga linens, pillow, madali lang siyang parang, sorry for the term, pero parang madali lang siyang malalaspag or overuse. So ang tendency, bibili ka na naman, so mas malaki yung mailalabas mong mga expenses. So, in short, hindi ka nakatipid. So, another tip ko sa inyo is you really have to plan well kung ano-ano yung mga bagay na bibilhin nyo online at ano yung mga bagay na bibilhin mo in a physical store or in a branded store kasi mas gagamitin mo siya ng mas matagal na kahit mas mahal siya, worth it siyang bilhin. And ito na nga, little by little, we built Camp CJ from bare walls to a warm and cozy staycation spot. At ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na every item, every corner, pinag-isipan talaga namin yan. Hindi siya biglaan. It was a slow but meaningful process. And honestly, that's what made it more special. Not to mention the extra effort and the personal touch we added. Kami mismo ang nagmartilyo, nag-screw, at nag-assemble ng mga gamit dito. From hanging frames and fixing shelves, hands-on talaga kami sa lahat. It wasn't always easy, but it was fun. May mga times na nakakapagod pero worth it kasi every detail has our effort and heart in it. Doing it ourselves also help us save money, of course, pero more than that, it made us appreciate the space even more. Every time I look around Camp CJ, I remember those long days of setting things up, one screw at a time. Eto ha, sa totoo lang tayo. This isn't just a staycation unit. For me, it's a reflection of us, our teamwork, and our love for creating a space where guests can feel at home. After setting up the big things, we move on to the final touches. Alam mo yung feeling na almost done ka na pero may kulang pa. So we went out again to buy few more essentials. We pick up some hand towels, new throw pillows, indoor plants, mugs, and other small details that would make Camp CJ feel warm and homey. I really believe it's the little things that make a stay feel complete. The scent of the new candle, a cozy blanket sa sofa, or a cute mug for morning coffee. Every item we added was carefully chosen to match our theme. Minimalist, cozy, and bohemian inspired. Hindi kailangan magarbo, basta maliwalas at may character. And just like that, Camp CJ slowly turned into what we imagine it to be. A place that feels like home, but better. It took time, effort, and a lot of love, but every second of it was worth it. And that's it. That's how we started building Camp CJ. One box, one item, one decision at a time. And here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing and setup journey as much as we enjoyed creating it. Camp CJ will always remind us that beautiful things take time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more behind the scenes and staycation stories from Camp CJ. Next time, Crystal Shore naman. Bye! After